Imli Alubukhara drink is a popular South Asian drink made with tamarind and dried plums. Here's a recipe you can try at home. Ingredients: 1/2 cup tamarind pulp, 1/2 cup dried plums, Alubukhara, 1/2 cup sugar, 4 cups water, 1/4 teaspoon salt, mint leaves and lemon wedges for garnish. Optional. Instructions: soak the tamarind pulp and dried plums in 2 cups of water for about an hour or until they are soft. Blend the soaked tamarind pulp and dried plums in a blender until you get a smooth paste. Strain the paste through a sieve to remove any seeds and fibers. Use the back of a spoon to press the paste through the sieve. In a saucepan, mix the tamarind and plum mixture with sugar, salt, and 2 cups of water. Bring the mixture to a boil over medium heat, stirring constantly until the sugar is dissolved. Reduce the heat to low and let it simmer for about 15 minutes, stirring occasionally. Remove the saucepan from the heat and let the mixture cool down. Once the mixture has cooled, strain it through a fine mesh sieve. Serve the drink chilled or over ice. Garnish with mint leaves and lemon wedges if desired. Enjoy your refreshing Imli Alubukhara drink.